we are going to learn the conjugation of reflexive verbs. Remember that reflexive verbs are verbs that the action is coming back to the subject. For example, if I say ducharse, yo me ducho, so I have a shower myself. Okay, I know it sounds repetitive in English, but in Spanish it's normal to say yo me ducho, so I shower myself. So let's see the full breakdown of the reflexive verb now. So go to your book, open your book on página 41. Página 41. Aquí tenemos el presente indicativo, verbos reflexivos. So we have the indicative, the present tense of reflexive verbs. Let's start with levantarse. So levantarse is to get up. To get up. Levantarse. Don't confuse it. Levantarse, to get up. So you already know the personal pronouns, no? Yo, tú, él, ella, usted, nosotros, nosotras, vosotros, vosotras, ellos, ellas, ustedes. So for the reflexive verbs, apart from the personal pronoun, we need the reflexive pronouns, which are these in blue here. Me, so for yo is me, for tú is te, él, ella, usted, se, nosotros, nosotras, nos, vosotros, vosotras, os, ellos, ellas, ustedes, se. Again, so it's the same for él, ella, usted, ellos, ellas, ustedes. So we use se before the verb. So how do we conjugate it? You remember in course beginner A1.1, we see the conjugation breakdown for verb in Spanish for the present tense. The ending of the verb ending in AR. Okay, so you have levantar is AR verb, and then se. So that would be yo me levanto. Tú te levantas. Él, ella, usted se levanta. Nosotros, nosotras nos levantamos. Vosotros, vosotros os levantáis. Ellos, ellas, ustedes se levantan. So, I get up, you get up. Remember, it's like I get up myself, you get up yourself, but the translation is I get up. Perfecto. So, the personal pronoun and the reflexive pronoun are going to be the same for all the verbs. It's just the ending that changes in the verb, okay? Let's continue with number 2. Acostarse. What does acostarse means? Do you remember? Acostarse. Go to bed. Muy bien. Acostarse. This one is irregular. So you see the irregularity. I put it in black so that you notice it. So yo me acuesto. Tú te acuesta. Él se acuesta. Ella se acuesta. Usted se acuesta. Nosotros, nosotras nos acostamos. Vosotros, vosotras os acostáis. Ellos, ellas, ustedes se acuestan. Okay? Perfecto. So acostarse, go to bed. Let's go now with the third verb. Despertarse, to wake up. Despertarse, to wake up. Yo me despierto. Also irregular, you can see here the irregularity. Tú te despiertas. Él, ella, usted se despierta. Nosotros, nosotras nos despertamos. Vosotros, vosotras os despertáis. Ellos, ellas, ustedes se despiertan. Perfecto, chicos. Muy bien. Buen trabajo. There we go. So now we have the conjugation. You see the breakdown of these three reflexive verbs. All reflexive verbs are conjugated the same. You know, don't forget the reflexive pronoun in the middle. Me, se, etc. Also, just to let you know, when we are speaking Spanish, familiar Spanish, let's say, informal Spanish, we normally omit the personal pronoun. So we normally say, instead of saying yo me levanto, we normally say me levanto. Because it's clear that it's yo. You see, that's why we omit this one. Tú te levantas, we normally say te levantas. Se levanta, nos levantamos, os levantáis, se levantan. So we normally omit the personal pronoun. That's why, for example, when you say me llamo Leo, so you don't say yo me llamo Leo. So llamarse is also a reflexive verb, okay? Yo me llamo or me llamo directly. We omit the personal pronoun. Okay, with that clear, so I'm gonna leave you to learn this conjugation because it's very, very important, guys. Muy importante. Learn the conjugation of this verb, and in the next video we will be practicing, we will be talking about your daily routine. Mi rutina diaria. So we will be using these verbs in the next video. Nos vemos en el próximo video, chicos. Hasta luego.